What's up? Danny Highstalker with Call One Inc., helping people do their business better. And we have another webcam for you today. And so today we have the VDO360 1C camera. All right, so there it is. All right, and this guy is a 1080p USB 2.0. Cable here is 1.5 meters in length. It's got the ability to connect to like a tripod or a mount. You can attach this to your top of your monitor as well, and this guy here kind of spins around, moves around, so that's kind of a nice feature. But a really great feature is it's got its own little USB hub in the back there, and that allows you to plug in a charger for like your mobile device or anything else that you want to charge up. Plug it in there, you can charge it at the same time as you're using this camera. But let's plug it in, you guys, and let's take a look and see what this thing actually looks like. All right, so I'm back, and so I have the VDO360 1C camera connected, and it was really simple. I just took the USB-A cable, plugged it in, and it just works, right? So that's always a plus. The other thing is, remember I showed you that little USB hub in the back. So what I've done is I've connected a Yamaha YVC200 speaker to the back of this camera, and I'm able to use this speaker with that camera. And I guess that's why they have a bundle. So if you didn't know, Yamaha YVC200 and the VDO360 1C is available as a bundle. So you can order both together. But if you just need the camera, it's less than $100, right? So I think MSRP is $75, so I'm sure you can get it for less than that. Or I don't know, maybe you can't, I don't know. All I know is MSRP is $75. I don't know what the cost is for this particular bundle, but it can't be that much more because Yamaha makes these great little products and they're able to provide great value, right? So here is the video quality of this camera. It's a 70-degree field of view, 1080p. So it is designed for those one-on-one conversations, right? So it's not designed to capture an entire room. It's designed for what we're doing right now. So everybody's sitting at home, communicating over video, whether it's Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Cisco WebEx, Google Meet, GoToMeeting, or the plethora of other web-based meeting platforms. This is yet another option available to you. You want to check it out? We'll put some links in the description box below. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.